Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix MONGIL Stardive game not working, not opening, keep stopping or not starting on Android devices. So without wasting time, let's follow the fixes. Now the first fix is to simply restart your Android device. So just restart your Android device, and once your Android device restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Next solution is to check for the MONGIL Stardive app update. So open Play Store, tap on search for MONGIL Stardive and tap on it. And if you find any updates available for this app, then update it, and then you can go back, launch the game and check. Next solution is to check for the internet connection. So please check and make sure that your internet is working properly. Now if you're connected to Wi-Fi, then switch to mobile data and then check. And if you're connected to mobile data, then switch to Wi-Fi. And then you can go ahead, launch the MONGIL Stardive app and check if your problem is solved or not. If possible, then you can also try to connect to different Wi-Fi network or mobile data network via hotspot and then check MONGIL Stardive app is working or not. Next solution is to force stop MONGIL Stardive app. So tap and hold the MONGIL Stardive app icon, then click on app info, then click on force stop and confirm it. Then go back, launch the game and check. If that also doesn't work, then also clear the MONGIL Stardive app cache. So again tap and hold the Stardive app icon, then click on app info, then go to the storage usage and then click on clear cache and confirm it, and then you can go back and launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then also tap on clear data. Now please take a note that clearing the app data will delete app data including files and settings permanently from this device. So if you agree, then tap on delete to confirm it. Then you can go back, launch the game and check. Next solution is to allow the background activity for this Stardive app. So again tap and hold the Stardive app icon, then click on app info, then go to the battery usage and then select the first option, that is allow background activity, and then again click on allow to confirm it, and then you can go back, launch the game and check. Next solution is to connect to VPN. So open Play Store, tap on search for VPN and search for it, and then you can install any VPN of a choice from the Play Store such as Surfshark VPN, Aloha Browser VPN, Octohide VPN, Proton VPN, BPass VPN, VPN Lumis, Turbo VPN, Ninja VPN, Nord VPN, Express VPN. So you can install any VPN of your choice from the Play Store and then launch the VPN app and then select different location and then launch MONGIL Stardive app and check if your problem is solved or not. Now if you are already connected to VPN, then disconnect it and then check. And the next solution is to turn on airplane mode and turn off airplane mode. So bring down the notification panel and then tap on airplane mode. Just wait for a few seconds and then again tap on airplane mode to turn it off. And then you can go back, launch the game and check. If still your problem is not solved, then the next solution is to reinstall MONGIL Stardive app. So tap and hold the MONGIL Stardive app icon, then click on uninstall and then again click on uninstall to confirm it. Then just restart your device, and after your device restart, open Play Store, tap on search for MONGIL Stardive app and then tap on it and then click on install button to reinstall it. And once the MONGIL Stardive app get reinstalled, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now if still your problem is not solved, then the last thing you must do is to check for the MONGIL Stardive app server status. And if you find that their server status is offline, under maintenance or having any kind of outage, then you can't do anything. You have to just wait for the server status to get back online and then you can check back later. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily solve MONGIL Stardive app not working, not opening, keep stopping, not starting problem on Android phones. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.